Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Hi, this is James again with JJ Media and Online Services. I would like to first thank you again for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and follow us. Also, I would like you to share this. Share this with your friends. And then third, go below and connect with us on our social media. So subscribe, share, and connect with social media. So today I am going to be bringing you how to do an Amazon affiliate. I'm an affiliate with Amazon, but many of us shop on Amazon, but you can, for all the shopping you do, anytime you do or you actually buy something on Amazon, you can actually also share it with people and have an Amazon link that they can purchase it and you get a commission for it. So we're going to go to the computer and we're going to show you what it is with the Amazon and how Amazon automatically creates the link for you. So let's go to the computer. Alright, you will see here, and I will have these links in the bottom of this video. That way you can just click right on them. So this right here is for Amazon Associates. You can sign up. Of course, I'm already logged in, and but you can actually sign up on it, and you can actually do product links, banners, native shopping ads, and a mobile popover link to any page. I'm not going to show you exactly all those. Maybe I can do a series on them. That could be a good series. Promotions, featured promotions, Amazon bounty program, Amazon promo codes, tools. This is a site stripe, which that is what the Amazon affiliate program is now. Product advertising API. That's for tech guys that use the API and drop it into automatic software. And we're going to go through all of these. You can also, if you use WordPress, which if you don't use WordPress, you don't you wouldn't use this, but I do websites with WordPress. This is one plugin that you can use for WordPress. You can get your reports and of all of your click reports. So let's go on over to the Amazon site. I'm already logged in, and of course this is Christmas time, so, or getting ready for Christmas time, and so let's just say, okay, we're looking for gifts, and let's just go. I mean, you can actually go put in search whatever you want, and you know that you've probably already ordered. Many have already ordered. So let's say you're looking for someone. Okay, you're wanting an office gift for them, and there's let's just go smart home printer. So you find that, you order it, and the thing about this is, if you become an affiliate, you can order it, and then you can actually go up here, the site stripe. Once you're logged into your account, you can do the text, and then you can automatically copy, and right there is your affiliate link if you are an affiliate of Amazon. So I will I will actually just put this link in the bottom. Just, I'm not asking anyone to click on it. Let me just go here and drop it down here. That way I can have it. And then I'll drop it in, and that way you can click on it and just see what it does. I'm not pushing for you to buy this. If you buy it, I'll let you know. I'll get a little commission. So, but I guess I should have went to this one. Just kidding. But that is what Amazon affiliates are about. Anything you can buy on Amazon, you can drop your link in the description and have people share it on social media, share it wherever, and make money with Amazon and do product reviews with it. So, hope you enjoyed this. Make sure that you subscribe, you share, and you connect with us on social media. I really want you to do this. I want to bring some helps and tips. If you have anything any tech tips that you would be interested in, comment below. Comment, and I'll try to follow up and make some videos for everyone with tech tips. And if you have a local business, you want to maximize your local SEO and your local video marketing, we can help you out. We would love to help you out. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we will see you in our next video.